Good morning, my lovers. Well, it's not very a good morning, is it?
It's for me.
It's for him. He's got his comeuppance. This morning I was getting ready, you know, I'm black toenail. I was rushing to get ready and I knocked it off. Ah! Ouch, ouch. And then when I get here, because I got here a bit late, he shows me this Roman coin he's just found. And he's got his comeuppance, he has. And I just noticed it's silver. I've never found a silver coin. He's gone onto my fields and he's found a silver Roman. Oh,
well, happy.
We'll just let you have a look at it. Look at that.
Wow.
Stunner. You can just see the silver coming through there, look. But on the back, definitely looks silver to me.
Oh,
gutted. I've never found one. And he's got a silver Roman. Oh.
Get yourself a Knox, mate.
Oh, right bugger.
But you're obviously happy for me, yeah?
Oh, I'm ecstatic, you know, ecstatic. Oh, I reckon I got a bit of silver down here. Banging. Oh, it's over here. Oh. Oh, it's got something on it. Pesky bottle top. What does it say? Replace with cap. Oh, I forgot to do that, didn't he? Or whoever did it. Pesky cap. I wanted Roman, not pesky cap. Oh, sounds lovely. Could be a coin. Oh, there it is. It is a thing. It's a thing. Give it a rub on the magic trousers. Some sort of a little cappy thing. Yeah. Could be Roman. It's possible. Doubtful, but possible. Right, whatever that is. Oh, I just found something. I've been here about an hour and I found something that's reasonably nice. Not sure it's Roman, but it is quite chunky. Some sort of little handle. Little drawer handle or something. Oh, Matt says he can see something green.
Just a bit of green soil just for out.
Be a shotty.
It's in here, isn't it? Where's it to?
Where's it to?
Where's it to? Where's it going?
Oh, this could take a while. Oh, oh.
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 Oh, it's a pesky button.
Is it a pesky button?
Oh,
silver wash. He's got even more silver today.
One of those days, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Pesky buttons.
Oh. Yeah. Silver wash. Oh, what a shame. It's not solid silver.
You're not bitter, are you? Thanks, mate.
Oh, I got something down this ear hole. Don't know. Looks like possibly a, oh, my toes hurting. Right, it's possibly a CCR. Oh, banging signal just here. Alright, where's me, what's that there? What is that? Oh, that's it. It is a button. I've got a button. Sort of a funny looking button. Let's give it a rub on the magic trousers. Yeah, some sort of a button. Oh, I got a banging signal here. Oh, 1247 or 1547. Could be silver. Oh, what's that? Looks like cack. Oh, my day's not going very well at all. Oh, I got something nice down here. 1231. Could be gold. Roman gold. That would be nice. Oh, yes. I'd outdo him. The pesky newbie. Taking my Roman silver. Where's me? Ah, here it is. Ah! Oh. Is it? It's a coin. It's a coin. Oh, it's very thin. Very thin. Oh, ooh, looks a bit toasted. Right, I'll give it a rubber dub dub and I'll get back to you. Oh, I can't see anything on it. It's completely wasted. Oh. On to the next. Go on, Matt's smashing it today with the knocks. He's got another coin.
Unfortunately, this one is a slick.
Oh.
Completely nothing on it at all, I can't see. Might be able to through the camera.
Yeah, looking a bit iffy.
Yeah.
Right, I'll give it a rubber dub dub and I'll get back to you. Well, there's something going on there, but it's a bit toasted. I've got a line at the bottom, look for the date. And on this side, there's a lump. I can see a lump up here. That's about it. Oh, Matt's got a sweet signal. Nice bit of cack. That's what
it does. Oh, it's a coin.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, pesky bugger. He's finding all the good stuff today with that knocks.
Oh, is it? It's a button.
Is it?
Is it? No, it's a coin.
Here's a coin. Yeah, it's a coin. Oh.
Do your magic trouser trick, mate.
Oh, yeah, it's a coin. 1901.
Definitely going to get yourself a knocks, aren't you?
No. What a pesky knocks.
You're quite impressed with it, aren't you?
It's not a bad machine, is it?
You recommended it to me, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, veil head. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I'm smashing the crap today. I got a bullet. Oh, yeah, nice bullet. That's the best find I've had in, half hour. Ugh. Oh, I got a sweet one here. Oh, 1245. Silver. There it is.
Nice. Ooh.
It's a big one.
Yeah.
Oh, don't think it's silver. Alright, I'll get this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Oh, there he is, King George III. Yeah, lovely coin. Oh, here are, Matt. This is what a real good coin looks like.
Lovely. Not as good as a Roman silver though, but...
Oh. God, that's where I just had the George III. And I got another sweet signal right next to it. Right there. Still down the hole. A bit deeper. Oh, I found it eventually. It's in the side wall. Ah, another George, methinks. I'll give it a rub on the magic trousers. Oh, ugh. It's a bit smooth. He's just given me a whistle. He's got something else. Pesky bugger.
Just thought I'd bottom feed around you, mate. Oh. Another coin.
Oh. Oh, it's a French coin.
I was smashing it today.
Yeah, it's Napoleon. Napoleon Bonaparte. 1855, I think.
Wow.
Let's get it cleaned up and we'll get back to you. There he is, Napoleon with the goatee. What's the date say? Yeah, 1855. There's his eagle. Lovely jubbly. Oh, that's where Matt just had the penny coin, well, penny coin, 10-cent coin with the goatee, Napoleon. And look, he didn't bother searching around it, because I've got a signal just here.
I never learned, do I?
He never learns. Oh, let's hope it's all gold. Oh, sounds lovely.
You're gonna rip it into him, aren't you?
Oh yes, yes, gonna give it a rip. We're gonna rip into him if he's missed a gold coin. Let's move you back a touch. Oh, glasses. Oh, get my glasses off for this one. Can't see it. Oh, what's that there? There it is. Well, luckily for Matt, it's just a piece of cack.
Yeah, thankfully.
It could easily have been something. Yeah, I think it's just a bit of lead or something. Right, that's it, me lovers. We're going to head off. Cheers!
Cheers!